Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Samsung Galaxy M15. So you have to start with opening your Google application and then click on your avatar and then click on manage your Google account. Now click on data and privacy and then scroll down and click on delete your Google account. Now click continue and now you have to enter your lock screen pattern. Now scroll down and check these two checkboxes and click delete account. Now your Google account has been deleted, so let's recover it by opening, for example, Google Play Store and then click sign in. And now you have to enter your email and then click next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so let's recover it by clicking next. And now I have to enter my password. Now click I agree. And now scroll down and click accept. And now as you can see, my account is recovered and parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.